XL Specialized Trailers mechanical trailers are a popular solution for transporting agricultural equipment and commercial loads. Follow the upcoming directions to hook and unhook your mechanical trailer safely and efficiently. First, drive the trailer to level ground before starting the detaching process. Disconnect the air and electrical lines that connect the gooseneck to the truck. Then, unlock the fifth wheel plate lock. Now, dump the air in the truck suspension if possible and pull your truck away from the trailer. Remove pins and safety clips from the connector plate. Slide the connector plates forward, away from the load pin. Turn them 90 degrees and place on the clip. Next, disconnect the air and electrical lines between the gooseneck and the trailer's main deck. Now, back your tractor under the gooseneck until the fifth wheel engages the pin. Place a 4x4 block between the gooseneck and the loading ramps of the tractor. Unlatch the handle on the main deck below the flange in front and reinflate the air in the truck's suspension. Lastly, drive the tractor forward, removing the gooseneck. When you're ready to reattach the XL mechanical neck, release the gooseneck lock handle. The lock handle automatically locks when the lock plate engages with the trigger mechanism. Back your tractor up to the trailer. The gooseneck self-guides into the trigger safety pin locks. Then, dump the air in the truck's suspension. Next, remove the 4x4 block and release the fifth wheel. Then, drive the tractor forward until the neck is clear from the loading ramps. Slide the connector plate back to the trailer and replace the safety clips. Reattach the air and electrical connections from the gooseneck to the main deck. Back the tractor under the gooseneck and pick the trailer up off the ground. Reconnect the air and electric lines between the tractor and trailer. Thank you for watching the XL mechanical neck hooking and unhooking procedures. Go to www.xlspecializedtrailer.com to check out photos, specs, and options on XL mechanicals and many more heavy haul trailers. If you have additional questions, ask your dealer or an XL sales representative at 877-283-4852.